Meaning of foundry.
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 Foundry. A foundry is a type of industrial plant where metal is melted and poured into molds to create various products. It typically involves heating metal in a furnace until it becomes molten, then pouring it into a mold and allowing it to cool and solidify. Foundries are used to produce a wide variety of metal products, including parts for machines, tools, and vehicles, as well as art and decorative items. The process requires skilled workers and specialized equipment, and is an important part of the manufacturing sector.